Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be filming a January monthly. So this kit is from Paper Dove Shop, and it's the January monthly kit. It says welcome 2018. Then it has a New Year's date, and this is for like the bottom, and you get a little view of the next month. This is just like labels, icons, and sidebar. And then you get the date covers. These are the strips for vacation or any like time strips. And then you get these 4 boxes, and then you get this. This is like a half box, but you also get it cut out, and then you get a couple bill dues. I bought this kit on Black Friday, and I was super excited because I love the marble and the rose gold. I thought it would be cute, super cute for the new year. I'm back to filming my monthlies. I haven't filmed like the last 2 monthlies just because I don't know. I have filmed one, I just never put it up, and then the other one I didn't film. I don't know what kind of paper this is. I think it's I know it's a matte, but I don't know if it's premium matte or not. All the way to the edge. There we go. And what are you thinking? Should I wait that out? I'm not waiting all that out. I don't want to wait that out. So let's move over to here. Today is Thursday, the 28th, I believe. I have a dentist appointment in a little bit. There we go. I do like doing my monthly with it open versus closed. So I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm gonna do the bottom strip. So I'm excited about 2018 and all that will come with YouTube. I'm super excited because see they have a New Year's date in the script because I don't want 2 boxes next to each other, but I need to cover up this box. But this box already has the 1 on it. So that's super cute. I like this right here. Yeah, so I was saying I'm excited about I'm excited about New Year's, the new year and all that it'll bring for YouTube. I'm super excited about all that. I'm sorry, my bills. All that it I have a bill due on the 1st. I'll just put it on the 2nd. It's okay. I have a bill due on the 4th. I have a bill due on the 4th. The 5th. The 28th. Bills are super like spread out, but like I think it's just the way that I get paid. The 28th. I don't like these two bills because these are both credit cards, and I hate that they're so close together at the end of the month. But it's okay. Then I want to do my paydays, which is the 15th and the 31st. I like these little flags, but they're kind of hard to peel up. Put it at the top. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just like the growth that my channel's been making. I do plan to continue to grow my channel in 2018, and one of my top goals for my channel in 2018 is to build the engagement. I really do like talking to you guys in the comments. So if you have anything that you would like for me to make sure that I film, just let me know down below. So hey, okay, so I need a label. I don't know if I have any. I do have one January birthday. Can't remember if what day it is. So next I have lesson plans to do on the 20th. I like the way that I plan my monthly is I do my bills and then I do events. I have a doctor's appointment on the 5th. And the reason I'm putting this is because I already know it. I do want to try to fill out my monthly more. I was going to try to do like a rewind monthly, but I like for it to look pretty. What else? Let's see. I think it's the 13th. I have a birthday. I'll put it on the 13th. I think it's the 13th that I have a birthday. So I'll put that here. Put the strip here. I just want to get a little bit more comfortable filming my monthly, and this monthly was super cute to not film. When I saw this on Black Friday, I had to buy it. This is my first monthly from Paper Dove Shop. I've really been doing like a monthly kit, a different a monthly kit from a different shop, like every month. Like I haven't used the same month. I'm in the same shop yet, just to try them out. I haven't really got my groove of monthly either though, so I'm just trying to see like what do I prefer. And monthlies aren't expensive, so I don't mind buying them. I haven't bought my February one yet, so I was kind of nervous because I bought this Black Friday, so I already had this one planned out. I want to try to use my sidebar too. I want to use the goals. I'm going to use these the goals for my YouTube. I want to use the appointments. The appointments. One right here. I wanted to straighten it out just a little bit. Also have a weekly kit for important right here, and this month right here. Now that I got my bills due, I like to go in with my full boxes because I don't put them out any particular day. This. I just like to make sure that it's spread out. I want this. I don't have any time off or anything. I would like to use these glitter strips, but I don't know what for. I have some field trips in January at work. I probably should have wrote that down because I don't know. I'll go back in. Let me put one over here. This kit is really gorgeous. Oh wait, no, that's something birthday. That's the doctor's appointment. I'll put this pill down for the doctor's appointment. That's probably for refilling your medicine or something like that. I'll put this computer down for my lesson plans being due. Did I mark that? 20th. I put it on 22nd. Lord, it's on the 20th. I think that's about all the icons that I can use. I don't have any MLK days, our only day off. I put down my pay days. So yeah, I think I'm ready to move to the numbers. I think I'm gonna speed through that. So guys, make sure you leave down below like what else can I add to my monthly, because it looks so blank. I love this design, but I think the monthly looks so blank. So make sure you leave down below what can I add to my monthly to spruce it up, and what should I talk about in my monthly videos down below, because I'm going to film them every month just so I can get in a groove of them. I felt like that when I first started filming weeklies, but now that I'm in the groove of things, I really do love filming and planning and stuff like that. So just let me know what I can talk about in these videos, or like what can I add with these icons. I don't know. So I'm about to do the numbers and I'll be right back. So I'm back and this is what the spread is looking like. I'm literally obsessed with it. I love the way her paper feels. Let me show you guys what I have left in the kit. Some labels and some icons. I used all of this page right here, and I have the number 1 because this came with the number 1 already on it, and these strips, and then I have a little bit of hearts and asterisks, and then I have the cutout words because I used the box right there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down for more. Bye guys.